Hello, everyone. This is my review of this Norelie RedRevive Cold Laser Therapy 1 for muscle and joint pain therapy. It's lightweight, easy to use, and highly portable, making it perfect for home travel. It comes with shades that you need to use to protect your eyes from the intense red light that it emits. You can adjust the intensity of the light from low to high, and also you can set a timer between 5, 10, 15, and 20 minutes. It's pretty easy to use. Just hold over the affected area for as long as you need it. You may need to do multiple sessions before you feel any type of relief. I appreciate the ergonomic design and how simple it is to operate. The battery life is also impressive, lasting multiple sessions before needing a recharge. I highly recommend it, and I hope this really helps.